In this SFX tutorial, you will be learning how to do split head makeup just like this. This is great for Halloween and also just a perfect addition to pretty much any haunted house makeup. So let's get started. We're going to start this makeup off by putting 2 long pieces of scar wax down to the middle of almost where your nose is. These 2 pieces are going to meet at a point and it should come to a V shape. Also to go nice and slow, you really don't want the scar wax in your hair. After the scar wax is down, use petroleum jelly to go and separate the middle slightly, along with also to start blending the edges just a little bit. You will need a blunt sculpting tool though to really help you go and smooth out the edges. This is the sculpting tool that I'm using. It is blunt, but it has a very small point that is rounded at the front. What I am doing is I'm lightly going and pressing down and pulling out the scar wax. Then at the edges, going and blending with more petroleum jelly, and then wiping off any extra, but using a dabbing motion so I don't go and squish the scar wax. At this time too, if you've gotten any of the scar wax into your hair, you can use petroleum jelly to go and get it out, along with also break it down. Keep this in mind as well for when you are taking this makeup off. To break down the scar wax, use petroleum jelly. After that is down, go and brush it with red powder cosmetic. Make sure to remove any unwanted makeup from the sides. Now for the inner portion, you're going to take red cosmetic, go and put it into the middle and really fill in the space. Make sure to go down your hairline as well with this red cosmetic. Go and follow this up with black cosmetic on the sides and blend the cosmetic together slightly. Make a small line with the red cosmetic all the way down in the center and wipe off any extra that has dripped. From there, go and take fake blood. This is fake blood that I made up with Caro syrup and also too, a whole bunch of instant coffee. It's gonna look really gross and it should look extremely gross, but too, honestly, it's gonna kind of look like brain matter and that's what you want. Continue to go and pile that fake blood on there. Make sure to get the center as well. And from there, what you're going to do is go back up to the top after you've gone down slightly and really just add it and go further back on the hairline. Use a paintbrush to go and fill in the center point, along with also to make it drip a little bit. Use your makeup brush at the edges to go and stipple a small amount, and your makeup should look a little something like this. This gross looking makeup is great for scaring people on Halloween or also for haunted houses or anything like that. I will be posting more special effects makeup coming up very soon that is more Halloween geared. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and have a good one.